In today's video, I'll show you how to add a clickable Canva template link into a PDF. This simple trick makes your documents more interactive and professional. Let's jump right in. Open your document in Canva and highlight the text you want to turn into a clickable link. This could be a phrase like "click here," the title of your design, or any word you want. Next, go to the top toolbar and click on the three dots menu. From there, select the option labeled link. It's represented by a chain link icon. Paste your Canva template link into the field. Make sure the link is correct and active. Double checking prevents broken links later. Once done, click apply or done. Click on your linked text to preview the hyperlink. This ensures that your readers will be taken to the right Canva template when they click inside the PDF. With the link in place, it's time to export. Go to the top right corner, click Share, and select Download. Under File Type, choose PDF Standard. This format keeps your hyperlinks active. Click the Download button. Canva will generate your PDF and save it to your computer's Downloads folder. This version now contains your clickable link. Clickable template links are perfect for sharing resources, client files, or interactive guides. They save time and add a polished, professional touch to your documents. And that's it. You now know how to add a clickable Canva template link into a PDF. Try it out in your next project and see how much more engaging your documents can be. Thanks for watching and happy designing.